Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you from my phone. And it's been pretty hectic, pretty crazy so far for the end of 2020. But I still wanted to do this tag, the Christmas tag that I've seen Rosie Rose TV. She had this tag. And I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try to do this tag so I could do my final tag of the year, final tag for this decade. I wonder how you guys are doing, how you guys feeling. I am tired. I know I probably said that in every video so far, but I am exhausted. And I don't know what else to do. I don't have a Christmas tree this year. That's how tired I am. The dining room is not decorated. There's nothing that's decorated, actually, not even outside. Nothing is decorated. I probably put out a Christmas cookie jar on the dinette table for the kids. And a thing for the door. I can't even remember the name of it right now, but I'm going to really go all out 2020 December. I'm going to like have a full blown crazy beautiful thing decor for 2020, hopefully, if I am still alive, God willing. And I'm gonna go through these tags right now. Oops, and I forgot to put my little ensemble right here for you guys to take a look at. You guys can see my baby shower dress right there. My sister indicated that this is not purple and that it's mauve. Oh, you could also see all of the baby shower gifts. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog. I doubt it because I'm so tired, but I'm going to try my best. Those are the 8 bags, 20 guests downstairs. And I'm tired. So I'll start with the questions now. Okay, she has the questions listed, so I'll be able to list them when it uploads. All right, the first for Christmas tag question. What's your favorite holiday movie? I've been just watching all of Lifetime and Hallmark's movie. So far, I thought it would be one of Tia or Tamara's Christmas ones from from Hallmark. But Kelly Rowland did one recently this year. It's called the Littles, I want to say, where she decided to have Christmas at her house, and hers is full of technology, high, everything she's able to order and have everything set up so it's not the traditional look. And the family wasn't having it. So I really, really enjoyed that movie. The kids ended up ordering through Alexa all of their gifts that was just coming in to the house. It was just a really updated, cute. I seen another one from I forgot the name and the actress who plays that one. So that last weekend, that was so good. And that was when you get visited by someone that takes you, if you decided to have a different direction, if you wanted to change up and had a better career, how your life would look, and things of that nature. Hopefully I remember the name of that one. That was on OWN though, and I'll find the name of it and I'll put it in the description bar as well. But those are my 2 favorites so far that are current. 2, what's your favorite Christmas color? It's, right now it's green, because that's what I'm wearing. I don't have a Christmas color. I like all of the colors that they normally have for the holidays. I'm not really picky. Number 3, do you like to stay in your PJs or dress up for Christmas? I love to dress up. I'm not dressing up this year, but I'll definitely dress up next year. I love to dress up because I have everybody, the family are in and out of the house, so you kind of need to look appropriate. You can't be walking around with pajamas. 4, if you could only buy one person a present this year, who would it be? The youngest kid in the house would get the gift. 5. Do you open your presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? Christmas morning. Christmas Eve, if the item needs battery or charging or something that needs to be done to it, it gets done on Christmas Eve, but they can't touch it until Christmas morning. That's not all of the gifts, but some of it. So it looks like it's been unpackaged, but it's because we've already added everything so that the hassle is already gone on Christmas Day. For an example, the kids have Fitbits. The kids' Fitbit options, so those are being charged Christmas Eve so that they could have them on their wrist Christmas Day. Isn't that a boring Christmas gift? But I think that would motivate them to move around. Yeah. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? When I was a kid, I think the kids have tried, the mall had an option to do that last year. And I think my sister did it last year as well. I don't remember though, because I don't remember trying, I don't remember having a bite of it. So, not in the house, but when they're out and about, they do get a chance to, if the option is available. 7, what do you like to do on Christmas break? I have to work, so I don't have an option. I have to work. My kids are home, so they are making a lot of noise. They're probably playing video games. Sometimes they get on the computer to get caught up with some of their readings. But it's really laid back. It's not a lot of anything. A lot of movies, a lot of Netflix. But it's normally nice and everybody's on their devices around that time frame. 8, any Christmas wishes? I just wish that, I always wish the same thing. I wish the world would just be a better place. And it's peaceful, and just that everybody, I just really would love for the killing to stop. I ask for the same thing every holiday. It's just peace on earth. Like, seriously, literally peace on earth. I really want peace on earth, if possible. But the Bible says something else. Peace on earth. But 9, favorite Christmas smell? Glade has the Glade has the chestnuts. Is it chestnuts? I want to say it's chestnuts, but I might be wrong. And Bath Body Works has Sweater Weather, which is still a scent that I enjoy to smell now. 10, favorite Christmas meal or treat? My cornbread dressing, because that's what I make, and that's what normally goes. That's my favorite Christmas, and that's also my favorite for Thanksgiving. Favorite Christmas, I did 10, Christmas meal or treat. 11, holiday, which holiday do you celebrate? I celebrate Christmas and Thanksgiving. You consider Thanksgiving a holiday? Yeah, it is a holiday. Get that day off. What are you doing for the holidays this year? Absolutely nothing. I'm so tired and exhausted at this time. Just want to lay down. I just want to lay down for a couple of days and not get up. Yeah. 13, what's your favorite holiday drink? It's a drink that I can't have. It's called Clémence and Creole. It's from Haiti. But everybody else I've realized also have a similar drink. It's a nice creamy, milky drink that you have that has rum in it. Some people put different types of spices, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, but they all have the same type of layout. It's the thing that I love for Christmas and New Year's. Oh, but it's called Clémence. I don't know how they call it in any other language right now, but it's just a creamy rum drink. What is your favorite holiday Christmas song? Oh, Let It Snow by Boyz II Men. 15. What's the weirdest gift you've ever received? I can't think of one. I can't think of any right now. That is weird. It has to be something from my coworkers, because they don't know how to pick gifts. And I'll put it to the side and forget about it. But it would be something so unique that I don't know where they found it or what store it came from. Some kind of little fixture that they have, like a collective item, not like an ornament or like a snow globe, but something that makes too much noise. I don't know what you call it. 16. What is the top of your list? What's the top? What is at the top of your list this Christmas or whichever holiday you celebrate? Family, safety, protection. Everybody's just safe, enjoying themselves, and just having a really good time. We're losing people every single day from illnesses, from violence, from all kind of things. And my goal is just to pray over everyone and just family, really. You just want to make sure everybody is still alive so that you could touch them and talk to them, and that they're not in the hospital or passed on. 17, which is the last one. What is the most important? What is most important to you about the holidays? Family. Probably said it 1,000 times throughout the video. Family is very, very important. That's why I'm always concerned. That's why I'm always praying. I always want to make sure that they're okay and safe, because a lot of people don't have that opportunity to have them. So that's it, you guys. That is my Christmas tag for 2019. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys decide to do the tag, please let me know so that I can watch. You guys enjoy the holidays, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.